I'll try to explain something we say a lot in Lebanon. It's not easy to translate or explain word by word, but I'll try. So sometimes before sentences, at the beginning of the sentence actually, we say ما تكون, ما تكون, don't you be. That's masculine. And in the feminine form, we say ما تكوني with the A in the end. ما تكوني, ما تكون. So ما تكون literally means don't you be. ما تكوني, don't you be, in the feminine form. But if you put it before a sentence, it kind of means I hope you didn't, and then you say what? For example, I hope you didn't experience something negative. Okay, let's say we are meeting and you arrived before me, and I'm gonna tell you, oh, I hope you didn't wait a lot. I can say to you, ما تكون نطرت كتير. ما تكون, don't you be, نطرت, you waited كتير, a lot. ما تكون نطرت كتير. I hope you didn't wait a lot. That's how it translates. And if it's a girl, I'm gonna tell you ما تكوني with a A, نطرت كتير. Don't you be, you waited a lot, which means I hope you didn't wait a lot. ما تكوني نطرت كتير. But also sometimes we use ما تكون and ما تكوني as a joke or sarcastically to say to someone, you are not that person, or you are not good in that thing. For example, one day I was saying to my sister, oh, I was describing a guy that he has to be like this or like that. The guy I want to be with, maybe he has to be handsome or tall or with dark hair or something. And then she told me, oh, you think you're Kim Kardashian? The way she says it in Arabic is ما تكوني Kim Kardashian, don't you be Kim Kardashian, as a way to say you must be Kim Kardashian and I'm not aware of it. So ما تكوني Kim Kardashian. And if it's a guy, you can say ما تكون Brad Pitt, don't you be Brad Pitt, like you think you are Brad Pitt, something like that. Okay, or maybe somebody told you you're fat. Okay, in Lebanon they will tell you, for example, you put on weight or you're fat, نصحان or نصحانة, and you can tell them ما تكون model أنت, don't you be a model and I'm not aware of it. ما تكون model أنت. Okay, so this is how you can use ما تكون or ما تكونة at the beginning of a sentence. We gave 2 examples today. ما تكون نطرت كتير, ما تكون براد بيت. ما تكوني نطرت كتير, I hope you didn't wait a lot. ما تكوني أنجلينا جولي, do you think you're Angelina Jolie?